Let's talk about hunter eyes. These are the eyes that give you that serious and mysterious look. It also gives the impression of greater trustworthiness and better leadership skills. But how exactly do you get these so-called hunter eyes? And no, it's not all up to great genetics. There are two ways to obtain a hunter eye shape. We want to cut out the fat and get straight to business. But first we need to know why hunter eyes form the way they do. The shape of your eyes is influenced by the bone structure around them, with the focus on your maxilla bone. Most of us have never heard of the maxilla bone, but it's the part of your face you're seeing on screen right now. Hunter eyes are the result of a more compact, square and deep-set orbital bone. This all provides better support for your eyes. This might sound a little complicated, but I'll try to keep it as simple as possible. Less developed maxilla bones means no hunter eyes, while well-developed maxilla bones means, you guessed it, sexy hunter eyes. Now with all the science out of the way, what can you do to get these hunter eyes? Well, you can't change your genetics, but the only way to transform your eye shape is to start mewing. If you don't know what mewing is, it is a technique that involves keeping your tongue pressed up against the roof of your mouth while you are breathing through your nose. This applies constant pressure to your maxilla bone, forcing it to grow forward and upward over a longer period of time. Just take a look at this picture. This is how you should be mewing. However, it's important to start this practice as early as possible, ideally before the age of 25, because the older you get, the less likely you are to be able to change your facial structure. I must also warn you that bone smashing, a technique that some people attempt to achieve hunter eyes, can be extremely dangerous and result in permanent damage to your eyes or facial bones. So whatever you do not start bone smashing. Even the name bone smashing should raise a red flag. So there you have it, gentlemen. The only real way to naturally get hunter eyes is through mewing. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to check out our other videos.